Good morning. Today we will solve a telescopic sum. What does a telescopic sum mean? A telescopic sum is a very long sum and we cannot write it shortly in one or two lines. Here is an example. So we have to find the value of this long telescopic sum. We will use the formula. Here it is 1 by k into then in the denominator k plus 1, and what is it equal to? Can you tell me? Yes, it is 1 by k minus 1 by k plus 1. Why? Yes, that is a good question. We can write it this as 1 by k, then we will multiply it by 1 by k plus 1. Then we want the LCM in the denominator. What is it? K into k plus 1, and k plus 1 would be in bracket, and then what in the numerator? K plus 1 minus k. So k and k would cancel and we would get 1 by k into k plus 1. That was the original question. Now, how would we solve this question by that trick? So, after you think for a long time or maybe a short period of time, you would get to know that 72 is 8 into 9. You should be you should be able to observe the pattern. Then 90, it is 9 into 10. Then 110 or 110, that is 10 into 11. And like that, we can write these numbers. So, how would we write the whole question? It would be 1 by 8 into 9 plus 1 by 9 into 10 plus 1 by 10 into 11. And if you want to write answer in some question or what like that, you should write it as 8 into 9, then 9 into 10, then not 11 into 10. It should be 10 into 11. You should not make this mistake. Then like that till 99 into 100, because in the original formula, what was it? Yes, it was k into k plus 1. It was not k into k minus 1. If it would be like that, then you would have to write 10 into 9 and 100 into 99, like that. Yes. So now we can convert it in 1 by 8 into 1 by 9. Then plus this would always be in brackets. Then 1 by 9 into 1 by 10. This is also in brackets. Then 1 by 10 into 1 by 11. This also in brackets. Till where? Till here 1 by 99 into 1 by 100. Now what was our next step? Yes, it was 1 by 8 minus 1 by 9. Do not write it as 1 by 9 minus 1 by 8, because 1 by 8 is always greater than 1 by 9. So the answer would be in minus if you do that. Then plus here, what did it make? 1 by 9 minus 1 by 10, and like that till 1 by 99 minus 1 by 100. Now you would think that it is a bit difficult, but when you see, then you can see that minus 10 and plus 10, plus 1 by 10 and minus 1, and these can be cancelled. Then plus 1 by 9 would plus 1 by 99 would be cancelled by minus 1 by 99, which would be just before here. So we can cancel this also, and what would be our final answer? 1 by 8 minus 1 by 100. Now, very important. Here you should know a trick that 8 into 125 is equal to 1000. In our previous classes on Vedic maths, we have covered such tricks in a short and a simple manner. You can refer those. Now, so here we will write it as 125 by 1000, 1 by 8. So here we will multiply by 125 and here also by 125. Here we will multiply by 10. So to get the denominator same, which would be 10 by 1000. Now you can solve this and get 115 by 1000. Now solve this to get the answer. How would you solve this? These would be cancelled by 5, of course. Then 23 by 200. This would be our final answer. Thank you. Bye. If you like, please subscribe. We would be taking many interesting videos. This was on algebra. We would also be taking on trigonometry and such other topics in which you would have some difficulty. Thank you. If you like